everyone, Gagajoy, and I'm glad you dropped in. As you see, I'm cooking bacon. The world goes around on bacon. Not really. We're going to be making bacon gravy today. And a lot of people don't know what bacon gravy is, but I grew up on it. I had some friends this week and we were talking about bacon and gravy. And it's listed as an Appalachian thing, but we aren't in Appalachia, but we're in Virginia, West Virginia. So I guess it is maybe this part of the country. So I am very interested. If you're not from West Virginia, Virginia, or Tennessee, and you know this dish well, let me know. I'm very interested if it does go beyond our mountains. And of course, I'm just frying my bacon. I grew up so many mornings a week with my mother cooking my dad bacon gravy. And of course, we loved it too. And I took my bacon up. I've got my oven on 350. I'm going to put my biscuits in. Gravy, bacon gravy, and biscuits are married, as it were. Okay, I've got that. I heard my stove bake down on me. And as you see, I guess I got 2 tablespoons of bacon left, bacon gravy left, or bacon grease left. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of, and I can tell whether or not it's enough. I had some friends yesterday, we were talking, just talking about food, and they started talking about bacon gravy, and I said, well, that's what I'm doing for my next video, and we got to talking about it, because, like I said, it's tradition here, and it's bacon gravy. Now, also, the reason I think it's, maybe because it stays within this area, we had salt houses. My dad put up his pork in salt. A lot of people I guess they had smokehouses. And, but for bacon, Daddy always put it in salt. And my mother would say, bring me a Midland. You call it the bacon squares or the Midlands. And when you come, and my mother kept her knives sharp enough to cut a tree down. So she'd take that bacon strip like this, about that wide, and she cut it in 2. So the bacon was about this big. And because she used it for other things. So she cut her bacon up one place, and then she cut the rest of it up for her cooking. I put a little tiny bit of salt in here. We don't need much, but we do. Pepper. Teaspoon of pepper. And so it was pickled. It was salted bacon. Okay. I think our bacon is about ground up. Bacon flour, let it cook up a little bit. And you just add milk. You start stirring so it doesn't stick, or I don't think I've ever burned gravy. And what do you serve with bacon gravy besides the bacon? We serve apples, either fried apples, which we love, or baked apples, or And today I had been making apple sauce this week, so we're in the mood for that. Well, my gravy's just a little too thick, so you just put more water, or you can put water if you want to, but I'm using milk. And that seems about right to me. And it does need more salt. Just a tiny bit. There's our gravy. All we have to do is wait for the biscuits, which won't be long. Now my biscuits are finally out of the oven. I don't know why they were so temperamental today. Get my gravy real hot. You can make your gravy as thick or as thin as you like it. This is the way I particularly like it. Some people like it a little bit thicker. And of course, the apples. So, and a piece of bacon. And there is our biscuits and bacon gravy. I hope you'll try it, especially if you've never tried it before, because you see how easy it is and what the color it is and everything. I enjoy doing this, and I've got some friends to call and tell them to look into. Take care of yourself today. It's a pretty day. Have a good weekend. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.